Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Meg and I am a fully qualified yoga teacher, and this is my channel where I talk a lot about yoga, tips and tricks and things that you guys can follow along from home to strengthen your practice, and also some health and wellness as well. So if that is something you're interested in, go and hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me when you guys support me and support my channel, but it also means that you guys will get notified every time I post up onto YouTube, so you don't miss anything that I'm bringing forwards. I'm currently in the beautiful sunny Lindos, having the best time ever on my holiday, and I'm going to be doing a flow with you guys. This is going to be a really nice flow, but it is quite a challenge, and we're going to throw an arm balance in there as well. So it's a lot of hip opening, a lot of hip mobility, and a bit of arm work as well. You don't really need anything to practice this flow other than a good quality mat on a hard surface. I always recommend working with a good quality mat so that it doesn't slip out from underneath you, and also so that your hands don't slip on the mat as well. And also a good quality mat will support your joints properly, and working on a hard surface will as well, especially in vinyasa flows, which is what we're going to be doing. You can use blocks, you can use straps here if you want, but I think it will be better if you do it without, just because it's slightly more of a challenging flow and they might get in the way a little bit. That being said, if you feel like you need it, please use blocks and please use straps. And when you're ready, we will get started. We're going to start in our down dog, lifting the tailbone up high and pushing through the arms. We're bringing the right leg all the way up and onto the ball of the foot and stepping the foot up towards the top of the mat. We're spinning to face the long edge of the mat, and we're coming into our wide leg fold from here. We're going to move into Skandasana, so hands are coming in at heart center. We're taking the bum all the way down, maybe lifting up your left toes, keeping up tall through the spine and through the hips. If you need to take the hands down, you can, and you can keep them down as you shuffle forwards or shuffle to the left side. So we're shuffling over, breathing here, and then we'll shuffle into the middle, lifting the legs up, hands are coming down. We're going to come into a fold from here, so maybe bringing the arms down, melting over the legs, in towards the floor. We'll walk the hands over towards the right foot, and then we're going to take the weight into that front foot, coming into warrior three. Left leg comes back, arms are coming out in front. And then we're going to bring the left leg forwards and up, using your muscles here to keep that leg up. And then we're taking the outside of the left foot to the outside of the right leg. Slowly coming into chair from here, so figure four chair, bending into the knee, and maybe you can take the hands down in towards the mat. And this is where we're going to come into our arm balance. So we're taking the hands down and hooking the left foot around the right arm, coming forwards, and maybe picking up the right leg. Stepping it back, coming back into it. We'll unhook that left leg and come down onto our bums. We're bending into the right knee. Left leg is out in front. We're going to take this into compass. So we're bringing up the right leg, maybe just rocking from side to side here, warming up into the hip if you need to. And then grabbing hold of the foot into your compass. Slowly back down. Let's come into a forward fold here and just breathe for a second before we come onto the other side. And then we'll spin over towards the left side. We're coming into our down dog again. Pushing through the arms, lifting the tailbone up high. We're picking up the left leg and stepping it up to the top of the mat. into a wide leg fold here. And then we're going to take bend into the left leg. We're coming down into Skandasana again. Nice and strong here. And sliding across the other way. Back into the center. Inhale and exhale to fold down. Maybe taking forearms down into the mat. Just listening to your body here. Lifting your tailbone up high. Inhale to come up. And we'll walk over towards the left foot this time. We're going to bend into that left knee and start to take the weight into that left foot as we step up. Slowly coming up into your warrior three. Maybe taking those arms out in front. And then we'll spin up to the top, taking that right leg, taking the right leg out and in front, using your muscles to lift it up here, bending into the right knee. We're taking the outside of the right foot to the outside of the left leg. You're bending into the knee and slowly coming down into your chair, maybe taking your arms down, ready to come into your arm balance. So we're hooking that right foot around the left arm, taking that weight forwards and picking up the left leg. This time we're going to see if you can come down from your figure four or from your arm balance and bring the right leg around. If not, like we did on the other side, step up and out of it and then come down. So your left leg is bent in towards you, right leg is out to the side. We're bending into that right knee and maybe just rocking from side to side here. We'll place the outside of the left hand to the outside of the right foot, coming up into your compass. We'll then let go of the leg and we're melting forwards. Inhale to come up and just taking a second here, maybe taking one hand onto the chest and one onto the tummy, focusing on your breaths. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that flow. Please like and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It honestly means so much to me when you guys hit that subscribe button. So it means the more support I get, the more I can bring you all free yoga content. So thank you so much if you have. It honestly means the world to me and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Thanks. Bye.